heading out the door today, if you're trying to get going, I'm happy to show you a much quieter view here on satellite and radar. One little caveat is that we've got this light snow that is brushing our southeastern zones, but it's quickly moving out. So there in Anderson County, you're not going to be dealing with that much longer. And that's actually associated with this complex of snow showers and actually even some freezing rain. That's College Station and Lufkin. And the storm track is going to stay down to our south. So it's going to be southern Texas and central Texas dealing with the leftover winter precipitation out of this as it does march off to the east. So for us, it's mainly the clouds that we will have to hover around from that through this morning. Look at those warnings, though. We've looked at this through the week, and it's been pretty unbelievable how much of the country, and the southern half of the country at that, has been dealing with these storms. Still dealing with winter storm warnings. That winter storm warning in pink there, stretching now into East Texas all the way up through Arkansas, Mississippi, into Tennessee. And of course, that storm will continue to track to the northeast through the next couple of days. So it is going to leave its mark, certainly, as we move on towards the weekend. You can see the snow cover there from Clyde-Warren Park as we keep the snow around with temperatures that have gotten into the mid-20s in the morning hours. That's actually not as cold as yesterday. We were in the upper teens yesterday, so something maybe to smile about. I don't know. It's not as cold. Feels like temperature, maybe not so much. Winds out of the north up to 14. It does make it feel like we're in the low teens. But across the rest of the area, we're going to stay steady with all those clouds, looking for our mid-20s to hold this morning, and then the wind chill again, about 10 degrees colder as we're looking at those winds up to 10 or so miles per hour. But now through the rest of today, there is something to smile about, and that's the clouds thinning out. We're expecting some peaks of sunshine this afternoon and high temperatures to be warmer than yesterday, actually pushing in on the freezing mark. So with some sunshine and close to freezing, I do think we'll see at least minimal melting happen this afternoon. But I want to point out that tomorrow morning, we're starting in the low to mid-teens. So consider any of that melting that starts today, it's going to refreeze, and we're back to that black ice issue as we head into Friday. From there, we will continue as we move on Friday into Saturday. Watch what happens. All that sunshine, we clear out very nicely. In fact, we're going to be tracking a warm front to our north Saturday and into Sunday, and that does produce that southerly flow with a fast warming trend for us. Looking for our next cold front to arrive during the day Sunday, but the good news here, it's not a strong one. Very little temperature change, and really it looks like the rain chances are going to miss us to the east. But something to look forward to, my goodness, 32 degrees today. We are at 68 for a high temperature by next Tuesday, and we keep on going. Wednesday, highs in the low 70s. Time right now, 6:21. We've got more